Thank you. I appreciate the compliment. Actually, I just hiked down the hill and back up 3 times because I ordered some groceries with Instacart because I forgot some things. And apparently they delivered it to the wrong place. And so I was on the phone with Instacart trying to negotiate. And they just credited my account for the whole thing plus $10 for the inconvenience, and I reordered the whole thing plus a couple extra items. So I've been communicating with the shopper to give very specific instructions on how to get up here. So I have to walk back down in a little while. But yes, I'm probably going to hike up further up the mountain because it's beautiful.